What an amazing time we had at KBB this year. The show is always a highlight in our calendar, as it gives us the opportunity to meet with our customers face to face and show them how we can maximise the value of space together. We were able to show the new 𝗙𝗏540 hinge, a hinge that combines a strong performance of a premium product but at a very accessible price point. We also highlighted the 𝗙𝗏 Slim, a flap fitting with just an 8mm installation width. We showcased our new 𝗙𝗶𝗍 lighting brand for the first time, and we were able to show how technology continues to help our customer create rooms with genuine added value. And of course, we also highlighted products from our strong strategic partnerships, including Samsung, SMEG, 𝗙𝗏, Grass, 𝗙𝗏 and more, all throughout our stand. And last but not least, we're also very excited to announce we are now the exclusive UK distributor of the premium appliance brand 𝗙𝗲. That was news we couldn't wait to share with you, and it's great to have them on board. There's so much more to come from 𝗙𝗶𝗍 this year, so please do follow our social channels to ensure you don't miss a thing. So that's it for KBB 2026. Thank you for attending, thank you for your business, and here's to next time.